Let's talk Alien Earth episodes 3 and 4, and wow, this show continues to get weirder and weirder. So let's start with what actually works. I'll give the show credit. The introduction of new specimens and experiments is one of the more interesting aspects. We've seen the Alien franchise expand the Xenomorph lore in different ways before, but this feels like it's leaning harder into the scientific manipulation side of things. Seeing the cyborg try to use one of the synths to grab a Xenomorph egg, honestly, that's a pretty clever idea on paper, but you and I both know that this is not going to end well. Anytime someone thinks that they can control or outsmart a Xenomorph, things go downhill fast. Wendy seems to have this strange ability to hear the Xenomorphs trying to communicate with her, which raises so many questions. Is this some kind of genetic or experimental thing we don't know about yet? Is Wendy a new evolution of synths designed to connect with Xenomorphs? Or is it something deeper that ties into the overall mythology of the franchise? Now let's talk about the new baby Xenomorph. This is where I start scratching my head. It's definitely a strange addition, but what really caught me off guard was how it interacts with Wendy. Like, why is this thing letting Wendy pet it? That's not normal Xenomorph behavior at all. Usually when they see you, you're dead, simple as that. So what's so special about Wendy? Here's the thing though, I don't mind these kinds of mysteries. In fact, they're what's keeping me invested. But the big question is, will the show actually answer them in a satisfying way, or will it just keep dangling threads without payoff? Right now, I'm intrigued, but also cautious. Overall, episodes 3 and 4 had some genuinely fascinating ideas, but also some choices that felt off. This show is walking a fine line between expanding the alien universe in a fresh way and going completely off the rails. I'm curious to see where they're taking Wendy's connection to the Xenomorphs, but at the same time, I'm nervous. If they don't stick the landing, this could easily turn into another case of overcomplicating the Alien franchise, instead of leaning into what makes it so terrifying. So yeah, weird episodes, but I can't look away. But what did you think? Do you like this direction, or do you think they're messing with the formula too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I want to hear your theories.